Welcome back everyone. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that represents durability, simplicity, and everyday reliability, the Honda CG160 2026. If you're looking for a practical commuter bike with proven performance and low maintenance costs, this machine deserves your attention. The Honda CG series has always been known for strength and long-lasting performance, and the 2026 CG160 continues that legacy. At first glance, the bike carries its classic commuter styling with a round headlamp, simple body panels, and a strong steel frame. The fuel tank design is muscular yet clean, maintaining the traditional CG identity that riders trust. Under the tank sits a 160cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine is designed for fuel efficiency, durability, and smooth everyday performance. Instead of focusing on extreme speed, the CG160 prioritizes reliability and consistent power delivery. Whether you're commuting to work, running daily errands, or riding long distances, this bike is built to handle it all without stress. One of the strongest points of the CG160 is its low maintenance cost. Honda's engineering ensures the engine remains dependable even in tough road conditions. The air-cooled system keeps things simple, reducing complexity and making maintenance easier and more affordable. The riding position is upright and comfortable. The wide handlebar and long single-piece seat provide good support for both rider and passenger. This makes it ideal for daily commuting and even carrying light loads when necessary. The rear suspension is tuned to handle rough roads and bumps, offering decent comfort on uneven surfaces. Braking duties are handled by a front disc brake and rear drum brake setup, giving balanced stopping power. The durable wheels and commuter-focused tires provide stability and grip for city riding. The lightweight frame also makes the CG160 easy to control, especially for beginners. Technology-wise, the 2026 model may include a refreshed instrument cluster, possibly with an analog-digital hybrid design for clearer information display. The overall design remains simple, because the main focus of the CG160 is practicality rather than flashy features. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage. A 160cc commuter engine is expected to deliver strong mileage, making it budget-friendly for daily use. For riders who want a dependable motorcycle without worrying about high fuel consumption, this is a strong option. The Honda CG160 2026 is perfect for working professionals, students, delivery riders, and anyone who values reliability over aggressive styling. It's not built to race, it's built to last. In conclusion, the Honda CG160 2026 carries forward the legendary CG reputation with improved power, trusted durability, and everyday practicality. It's a motorcycle designed to serve you for years without complaint.